Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Now, onto the pancake batter. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, whisk together 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Remember, don't overmix. Next, prepare the filling. In a skillet over medium heat, cook half a cup of finely chopped onions until they are soft and translucent, which should take about 5 minutes. In a medium bowl, beat 6 large eggs and season with salt and pepper. Scramble the eggs in the skillet with the onions until just set, then remove from heat. Now it's time to assemble the casserole. Pour the pancake batter into the greased baking dish. Evenly distribute the scrambled eggs and onions over the pancake batter. Sprinkle 8 slices of cooked and crumbled bacon and a cup of shredded cheddar cheese over the top. You can replace the bacon with sausage or ham. It's your choice. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the pancake is set and the top is golden brown. Allow the casserole to cool for a few minutes before cutting into squares. Garnish with 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh chives if desired. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.